Hi, I'm Guy, and maybe it's because I'm a Virgo that I had to alphabetize the list of royalty-free images websites and make that available as a free download. That's right, free, as in no email sign up, no cost play, just it's free. And the link is in the show notes. If you go to the guyrcookreport.podbean.com, I've got the document there about the free list. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, you're probably wondering, why is there a red bicycle? Well, because I liked it. That's the reason. No more complex than that. Take a look at that document, though, about the royalty-free images, and it breaks down why you want to consider that for your content. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.